Morning, I'm up at my folks' place today, and every year I do a greenhouse catch-up. My dad's greenhouse catch-up because I don't have one. Oh my god. Let's not look at this, let's look at this. There we go, that's it in full bloom. At the back end of July. And it's always exciting to step in and see my god, it's hot, and see what's growing on. I'll try and do my best David Attenborough impression because it's always jungly like. So on the left here we've got two sun gold tomatoes. Not many left, as you can see. He's obviously been picking them. And here, big old tomato trusses. These are Shirley tomatoes. Fantastic looking tomatoes there. Another Shirley plant, tomato plant there. And cucumbers. Look at that. It's not bad, is it? And if I push deep into the undergrowth, there's another there, another behind it, and then one down here, or a couple down here. Fairly substantial. I might have to take a couple of these for him. Don't know if he knows that they're here. Hold on. Tomatoes. Again, Shirley, as I mentioned. But look at this. This is prime rib, my friends. Look at that for an aubergine or eggplant. That is impressive. Don't try and grow these outside. Always do them in a greenhouse, unless you live in a warm country, hot country, and you can plant these outside and they should do well, but they do like the heat. And as you can see, if they get the right conditions, you get a big one. Let's just have a look around here. We've got another eggplant, aubergine. We've got a couple growing here, two there, a couple there, and one at the back here. Dave the cactus and his offspring. Dave is obviously a lady. Green peppers. God, I can really smell those. I can smell that green peppery smell. It's quite a few. You have a look. And then this here, another tomato plant. Looks like it's going to be of a beef steak variety. As you can see, we've got the first few tomatoes developing. But the thing I'm most excited about, that I want to show you, that he's never grown before. Let me just pull back, let's see if you can see it from here. I can just about see it. There we go. Is this. The watermelon. This is a first. He's never been able to grow watermelon before. And as you can see, that one is set. And it's going great guns. Needs to fatten up, obviously. And as we're at the back end of July, almost said June, we still got time for this guy to put on a bit of weight. I'm looking forward to when he picks that. And I think there's another one just setting, maybe that one there. I don't think he'll make it, I think he's too far off. But that is the state of play in the greenhouse for this year. That is particularly impressive. as is that. Fantastic. I don't have a greenhouse, as I mentioned before, but I think if you do, you're able to grow so much more, extend the season. So yeah, the benefits of owning a greenhouse are amazing. Alright, I think that's about it. The heat is pretty unbearable, but the produce is 10 out of 10. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, that always helps. But most importantly of all, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.